Hi, it's Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review of the new website app. It's called MetaClone. Now, MetaClone is like having your own computer store, like having a $5,000 or $10,000 computer store that you pay pennies in terms of what you would normally pay. Now, this is a system where you'll be able to make high commissions. Imagine selling powerful beyond Apple, Amazon, Samsung, Dell, Microsoft to be officially yours as you become official selling partner for the latest and greatest tech of all tech giants. Now, with this, you'll have your own computer store, and this system will automatically update with the latest products that you can commission on through Amazon automatically. So it's updated automatically, and if you decide to purchase this system through my link, you will also get 36 mega courses that will help you get more traffic to your offer. We're talking about 36 courses worth over $16,000. One is viral traffic blast, social media marketing, lead generation. These are all courses that will help you get more traffic to your store. Pinterest, SEO, how to rank on the first page of Google AdSense, profiting tips and tricks, TikTok. So the list goes on and on. There's 36 courses here that you can use to help get more traffic or boatload of traffic to your offer. Now, as I said before, this is called MetaClone, and you have your own computer store that's selling high trending products that automatically is updated. If you have this type of store made on your own, it will cost you $5,000 or $10,000. But with this program, I believe it's $37 one time. Has a money back guarantee involved, and this is actually what the store would look like. You have high trending, very popular products that you could sell. You could send people here from Facebook, from Instagram, from TikTok, any place, LinkedIn. These are high quality, sought after products that there are thousands of dollars made per day with these products on Amazon, and 10% of those, the money they make on Amazon is made through affiliates. But none of them have an affiliate site as flashy, as high quality as this site right here. And none of them have sites that are automatically updated and selling the hottest products every minute, every day. And this comes with unlimited hosting, so you don't have to pay hosting. Pay $37 and you're in business to sell high ticket, high tech products from Amazon, from Microsoft, all the Dell, all the major companies that are and these products are selling, doing thousands of dollars a day. You'll be in the same business. So if you want to get into this business, click the link below. You can check out the demo. This is the demo here, and read a little bit more about the program. As I said before, this comes with a money back guarantee, and it's only $37 one time price. No monthly fees or nothing like that. And you'll be in the business in minutes selling the top products on these major, in the tech industry. It's a major industry. This people are selling or buying like crazy. You have a 30-day money back guarantee. So click the link below to get more information if it's something that you want to start the new year off with a high commission program that doesn't require you to pay any monthly fees, no setup fee. It's set up in minutes and you're ready to go. This is Larry Kearney. Click the link below to get more information today. And I'd like to thank everyone for reviewing my video. And don't forget to click the link below.